Hello everyone. So today we will discuss about the topic of Western powers. So let's discuss. Western power refer to influential countries primarily in the West. Historically, Western powers emerged from Europe and North America. Major Western powers include the US, UK, France, and Germany. They played significant role in world history. Colonization was driven by Western powers. They lead the Industrial Revolution. Western powers influenced global trade routes. They developed advanced military technologies. Their cultural influence is widespread. Western democracy models are globally adopted. They established key international organizations. The US emerged as a leading Western power after WWII. Western powers shaped modern global politics. They influenced the global economy. Western nations supported capitalist ideologies. They played crucial role in the world wars. NATO was formed by Western powers. Western media dominates global communication. They led technological innovations. Western education systems set global standards. They promoted human rights principles. Western powers were involved in the Cold War. They supported the formation of the UN. Western cultures spread through globalization. They led space exploration initiatives. Western powers dominate global financial institutions. They influenced global fashion and arts. Western legal systems shaped international law. They developed advanced healthcare systems. Western architecture influenced modern stage. Their films and music dominate global entertainment. Western powers set trade standards globally. They promoted scientific research and discoveries. Western nations provide international aid. They play significant roles in climate change policies. Western values promote gender equality. They supported technological patent systems. Western diplomacy shaped modern international relations. They led anti-terrorism efforts globally. Western powers developed modern transportation networks. They supported space agencies like NASA and ESA. Western literature influenced global cultures. They played key roles in historical peace treaties. They supported environmental conservation programs. Western countries lead in global sports organizations. They developed modern financial markets. Western scientific methods shaped modern research. They established international human rights laws. They promoted free market economies. Western powers continue to influence global policies. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe for this channel, because if you will subscribe, so you will get that type of knowledgeable videos.